What's up, guys? It's another weekend and yet another car show. I'm heading back to Michigan to go and check out this event called it's a Cars and Coffee. It's a pretty common event on weekends for car guys or car enthusiasts. And this one's at a place called The Factory in Corktown. So Corktown's this area just outside downtown Detroit. They're kind of redoing it. Anyways, it's pretty nice now. It's pretty nice. From my understanding, it was not so nice a short while ago, but it's pretty nice now. Anyways, I'm gonna go and check it out. This seems like a pretty big show. The map had like 3 different parking areas. There's an indoor area, an outdoor area. At least if I'm interpreting this correctly. But yeah, tag along for yet another car show adventure in Michigan, and we'll see how this goes. See you in a few. All right, well, that was fairly quick. By the time I got here, the show was kind of winding down. There wasn't much going on, but man, this is a cool venue, and there's definitely some cool cars. This guy biking beside me is gonna think I'm an idiot. Like I was saying, very cool venue, some really cool cars. I'll definitely come back here for another show. Hopefully I can come back here a little bit earlier next time they host. And maybe there'll be some cooler cars. Having said that, now that I've got this much free time, let's go for maybe a quick tour of Detroit.